Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a topic from our chapter number 12, angles, and this is on lesson number 3, vertically opposite angles. Before starting our today's topic, let's have revise some previous questions. What is angle? An angle is formed when two lines meet at a shared point. We have two rays, and these two rays meet at the vertex and they make an angle. We have another previous topic, that is angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Angle on a straight line, it doesn't matter that angles on a straight line are 2 or more than 2. They all must be added and equal to 180 degree. Now come to today's topic, that is vertically opposite angle. When two lines cut each other, then opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle. We have two straight lines AB and CD. These two lines cut each other and make two pair of equal angles. These two pair of angles are equal in measurement because vertically opposite angles are always equal. We have pair of angle is angle AOD and angle BOC. These two angles are equal in measurement. Angle AOC and BOD. These two angles are also same because these are the vertical angle. Let's explain from another figure. Now we are going to write down the name of the angles. We have two straight lines WX and YZ. We have two pair of angles. One pair is A is equal to B and other pair is C is equal to D. These pair are equal because these are the vertically opposite angle. Now explain from our textbook. This is our question number 5. AB and CD are straight lines. Find the unknown angles. We have a straight line, it is A and B. Now we have another straight line, that is C and D. Now two pair of angles are formed. Here one pair of angle in which one angle's measurement is given, that is 110 degree, and its opposite angle is small a. Now another pair, that is B and C. Now we are going to find out angle A, B and C measurement. Angle A is equal to 110 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. Here angle A is equal to angle 110 degree because these two angles are opposite to each other. Now angle B is equal to 180 minus 110 degree. We get 70 degree. Angle B and angle 110 degree. These two angles lie on a straight line, and angles on a straight lines add up to 180 degree. Now we subtract 180 minus 110 and we get 70. Angle B and angle C are opposite angles and angle B is equal to angle C. Angle C also equal to 70 degree. Now we have another question, that is AB and CD are straight lines. Find angle X. Let's think about it. We have a straight line AB. We have another straight line C and D. These two lines cut each other. Now another line appear, and we have angle. This angle is a box angle, that is 90 degree, and we have angle X and 30 degree angle. Now angle X is equal to 90 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 120 degree. The reason is 90 and 30 degree is equal to X. These are the vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Here we have 90 plus 30. These two angles are equal to angle X. So we get that angle X is equal to 120 degree. Hope you understand the slides, and now we have some more practice question from our textbook, page number 251. We have a question number 7. EF and GH are straight lines. We have EF and GH. These two lines are straight lines. I am marking with red. EF and GH. Only these two lines are straight lines. Find angle Y. We are going to find the value of angle Y. Now, if EF and GH are two straight lines, then these opposite angles are equal, because when two lines cut each other at one point, then opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles, and these are equal in measurement. So angle Y plus 30 degree is equal to 110 degree. Angle Y is equal to 110 degree minus 30 degree, 80 degree. So angle Y is equal to 80 degree. Now we have next question, question number 8. POQ is a straight line. Only we have here PO, this is the center point O, and Q. We have only one straight line here. Are the statements true? The first statement is angle POT. This angle is angle POT, and angle SOQ. This one is angle SOQ. Are vertically opposite angles? The vertically opposite angles are equal if two straight lines intersect each other. But here we have only one straight line, that is POQ. Only POQ. Here we have one straight line. We have no other straight line here. So angle POT and angle SOQ are not the vertically opposite angle. You just write no here. Now angle POS. This one angle is POS. Angle POS and TOQ. This one we have angle TOQ. TOQ are vertically opposite angles. Is this true? The requirement for the vertically opposite angles is that there must be two straight lines which cut each other at one point. But this requirement is not fulfilled here. We have only one straight line POQ, and SOT is not a straight line. So angle POS and TOQ is not vertically opposite angles. You just write no here, but you have to know about the reason why these angles are not equal each other, why these angles are not vertically opposite angles. Hope you all understand our today's topic, vertically opposite angles. Thank you.